This is your sacred space to heal, align, and create the life you deserve. And now, let us begin the meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath. Exhale and feel your body begin to soften. Imagine yourself stepping barefoot onto soft earth, cool and alive beneath your feet. The rhythm of your breath begins to merge with the rhythm of nature. Every inhale draws in fresh, grounding energy. Every exhale releases stress, heaviness, and tension. See yourself surrounded by tall trees, their roots stretching deep into the ground, their branches reaching high into the sky. You too are connected, just like them, your energy flowing downward into the earth and upward into the universe. Feel a steady current of grounding light moving through your body, balancing your mind, aligning your spirit, and clearing away anything that does not serve you. The more you connect with nature, the more your energy field stabilizes, becoming strong, calm, and centered. As you continue to breathe deeply, affirm silently, I am rooted. I am balanced. I am deeply connected to the energy of the earth. Feel the serenity that comes from being in harmony with nature. Carry this grounding presence with you, knowing that you can return to it anytime. You are calm. You are whole, and your energetic field is restored in peaceful alignment.